So I'm going to teach you guys how I draw cats. So we'll start off with just a head, and then I might make a video for the full body. So you draw like a curvy line, then you draw the ear, kind of like that. And we're just going to go and rub a tiny bit hair out. And so we can do some fur, like this. And then we're going to draw the top of the head, but it needs some fur as well because I like adding fur to the top of the head. And then we'll draw the muzzle. Okay, so the muzzle will be kind of hard, but you know, this is like the best I can do. Once we've done the muzzle, we're gonna make the lips like a bit, you know, have like a bigger outline. Then we'll do the nose and the teeth. And then that's good, and we'll move on to the eyes. So make them roughly near the nose, maybe lower, but I kind of did them too high maybe. And then the neck. So make it kind of spiky at the top. And then we'll do the shoulder and the bit of fur there. And that's how I draw cats. Oh yeah, and I forgot to add an eyebrow.